Okay, how many of you have ever tie-dyed t-shirts? Well, how many of you have ever tie-dyed cupcakes? Here's how. Okay, first you're going to gather all your ingredients and utensils. You're going to need Crisco oil, it doesn't matter what kind of brand you get, a measuring cup, food coloring, cupcake mix or cake mix, 3 little bowls to measure your icing, a big bowl for your cake mix, 3 eggs, baking cups, baking tin, doesn't matter how many you want, a baggie to do your icing, and then frosting. Your second step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Your third step is to pour the cake mix into the bowl. And then you're going to add all your ingredients. 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and 1/3 cup of oil. Now you're going to mix it until all the ingredients are blended. Okay, now you're going to take your 3 extra bowls and lay them out, and you're going to pour a little bit of cake batter into each one. You can pour as much as you want into each one. It doesn't really matter. Just pour it all out until all of it's gone. Now you're going to put your desired food colorings in there, in each one. For me, it's going to be pink, purple, and orange. Then after you have it all in there, you're going to take a spoon and you're going to mix it in until you find a color that you like. Now you're going to take your baking cups and put each one in the baking tin. After that, you're going to take whatever color you want and pour it into each separate baking tin. Then you're just going to do that with each color until you find a pattern that you like. After you have the cupcakes all filled, you're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 16 minutes. And now we're going to do the icing. After letting the cupcakes cool for 10 to 15 minutes, you put a little bit of icing in the bag, and then you can color it if you want, I did. And then you cut a little hole at the end of the baggie, and then you ice your cupcakes. You can put as much icing as you want on there. And then after you do that to all the cupcakes, you're done. Now after you've finished baking your cupcakes and letting them cool and icing them, you can sit down and enjoy them. But remember to set your oven at 350 degrees, get all your ingredients and your utensils out, and mix it properly, and then put them in the oven for 16 minutes.